Hi, I'm Korcan Küçüköztaş. I'm a mechanical engineering PhD student in Atılım University's Graduate School of Natural and Applied Sciences, and I also work as a research engineer in the Metal Forming Center of Excellence in Atılım University. I completed my bachelor's degree in manufacturing engineering in Atılım University. I also completed my master's degree in computer engineering, also in Atılım University. This interdisciplinary education allowed me to combine production processes with data-driven approaches and artificial intelligence. The focus of my academic research is boron nitride coatings. As a researcher at the Boron Center of Competence for Boron Coatings, I work across all processes from production and characterization of PVD coatings. My PhD research is centered on using physics-based approaches to model the crystal structures of boron nitride coatings deposited via physical vapor deposition method. Within the last 3 years, I've participated in important industrial projects with the help of the Graduate School of Natural and Applied Sciences and also my thesis advisor. The work that we have conducted with the company Metalworm was presented at 74th CRP General Assembly in Stockholm, Sweden, and it was also published in the CRP Annals Journal. In this project, we machined a new generation difficult-to-cut material like Invar using ultrasonic vibration-assisted machining, and we compared it to conventional machining methods. Currently, we're conducting a second project with Mitaş Composite Factory on the machining of glass fiber reinforced plastics using new generation methods. To date, I have published 3 journal articles and 2 conference papers. I've had the opportunity to present our work in various countries like Montenegro, Sweden, and also in our country. Thanks to the research infrastructure and industrial collaborations provided by Atılım University, I'm able to conduct my research both on the national and international levels. I would like to thank the Graduate School of Natural and Applied Sciences for providing me these opportunities throughout my education.